Hi, my name is Monica Castor, and this is History Through Public Health. First, we're going to talk about some impacts and control, some points. Bad air quality means that it can lead to cancer and cause damage to a person's respiratory system, as well as having bad ground quality. This leads to contamination that leads to illnesses. Being surrounded by hazardous waste means that you're exposed to toxics that can cause serious damage to someone's health. Having a healthy environment means you get to live a longer life period, while having a poor condition means it leads to death. Water must be cleaned regularly to prevent chemical contaminations, as well as homes and communities. Homes, work, and schools have different factors in outdoor qualities since they are exposed to indoor air pollution and fire hazards. What is public health? Public health is defined as the science of protecting the safety and improving the health of communities through education, policy making, and research for disease injury prevention. The roles of vaccines. Vaccines are given to infants and children. They have prevented more than 300 million illnesses. They saved more than 600,000 lives in the U.S. In 1790, the first vaccine was created to go against smallpox. Tuberculosis vaccines campaign was created in 1951. And in 1963, 500,000 Americans got measles. Vaccines helped maintain a healthy lifestyle away from illnesses such as whooping cough, measles, chickenpox, and the flu. Life before vaccines. Not only did Americans suffer from smallpox, but during the 18th century, the Black Death was a serious health issue. This plague killed more than 20 million people in Europe, and it did not allow travelers to associate with other villagers. Government and non-government institutions. Non-governmental establish insurance institutions for healthcare. They deal with issues including alcoholism. They manage health finance and administration. They get their funds from individual donors. They diagnose and investigate health problems and health hazards within the community. And they enforce laws to protect health and ensure the community's safety. Healthcare access, delivery, and law. Tax are carried by governmental health and environmental protection agencies. They collect and analyze health data, focus on public needs of the populations, focus on awareness of diseases such as HIV and AIDS. They provide treatment for injuries and diseases, as well as diseases related to the heart. The future of public health. In the next 25 years, I think the greatest achievement we can accomplish is to increase outdoor activity to lower the numbers on obesity, as well as getting rid of cigarettes since they have cost thousands of lives throughout the years. Finally, the cost of health insurance should decrease since not everyone can afford to get the treatments they need. These are my references, and that concludes this presentation.